Yeah, you like making me jealous. You like making me jealous. Yeah, you like making me jealous. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Selena Gomez and DJ Snake Selfish Love. Okay, we're gonna play this with basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in center tuning and put your cap on fret number 3. And the chords are as follows. So we have an F major to G, and then we have a D minor. All right. Now F major is 1, 3. So you're barring the first fret, and then you're playing 1. So that's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then we go to, we have, okay, so G up next is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then we have D minor to close, which is open, 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 2, 3, 1. Okay, so you like making me jealous. Okay, so the last time we have an F, E minor, and then D minor. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Alright, and that is basically it for the whole song. Let me just show you how I'm strumming it. So I have down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's down, 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 up, down. Okay. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 up, down. Okay. So that's pretty much it, and then you can, put some flicks in there to make it sound like. So that's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so down, 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 down. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Hold on, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, so you got that? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, you heard it when I was playing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 and that's it. All right, so that is it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.